How to post a job on Indeed USA. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Indeed job search app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can simply get it from Play Store or App Store. Once you open the application, you first want to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply create one. Once you have logged into your account and you want to post a job, all you have to do is tap on the employers option. You will find this on the home screen itself. Once you tap on this drop down menu, you're going to find three different options: post a job, help center, Indeed events. Tap on the first option which says post a job. Now tap on post a job from here. Now you require an employer account in order to post a job. If you do not have an employer account, you will first have to create one. In order to create it, you will have to enter some of the information such as your company's name, your company's number of employees, your first and last name, and then your phone number. Once you enter all the information, tap on the continue option. Now you will have to enter some more information about your company. Then after, you want to type in the job title for which you are posting the job. Then you want to select the number of people that you wish to hire for this job. Then which option best describes the job's location, you want to enter that as well. Then you want to enter the job's location. Once you do that, you want to select the language requirements and then tap on the continue option. Now you will have to add the job details such as the job type, then the schedule, and also select if there is a planned start date for the job. Now tap on the continue option. Here you will have to add pay and benefits. Then tap on the continue option after you have entered all the details. Now you want to add a job description. Once you have added the job description, you also want to enter the job reference ID. Now tap on the continue option. And now you want to enter your communication preferences, the application preferences and recruitment settings. Then tap on the continue option. Now you want to review all the details that you have entered. You can edit it by tapping on the pencil icon if there is any mistakes. Now tap on the confirm option. By selecting confirm, you agree that this job post reflects your requirements and agree it will be posted and applications will be processed by following Indeed's terms and conditions. And this is how you post a job on Indeed. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.